Hi, it's Adam from realitymanifestation.com, and in this video I'm going to be going through how to manifest what you really want using visualization. When it comes to making the law of attraction work, it is important to realize the power, so to speak, to manifest and attract changes into our lives comes from aspects in higher parts of ourselves that are linked to our unconscious mind, and visualization is a way in which you can use your conscious mind to communicate with your unconscious mind. And you may have heard this phrase before, but the mind can't tell the difference between something that you vividly imagine and actually experience. And the same parts of the brain are activated when you are vividly imagining an experience and actually experiencing it for real. An aspect of visualization that isn't discussed about quite as often is that the mind likes to remain with what it feels certain and comfortable with. And if you keep vividly visualizing something and creating the sensations that it is real, this will alter your mind's comfort zone, so to speak, more towards where you actually want to be. So if you start to fall back from this reality, or your current reality doesn't match what you have been creating in your mind, your unconscious mind will want to move you towards what you have been visualizing. And there's also a part of the mind called the reticular activating system, or the RES for short, that has a huge influence on what will come into our conscious awareness out of all the external data, so to speak, of everything that is happening all around us. So if you begin to condition your mind through visualization that this is your reality, your RES will start looking for opportunities and making you consciously aware of opportunities that may have even been around you for several years, but your RES was previously deleting and distorting it out of your conscious awareness, but now flags it into your conscious awareness so you can take advantage of it to move towards your goals and what you want to manifest. So a real key fundamental aspect of getting visualizations to work well for you that isn't discussed very often is finding out what submodalities work best for you. Submodalities are subsets of our representational systems. To put into more layman's terms, is basically parts of our five senses that we use internally to encode and represent experiences that come into our awareness. So this can include past memories, thinking about the future, and the way in which you use submodalities to internally represent an experience will determine how you think and feel about it. So to give you an example, if you make an image bigger and brighter, it will feel more real to you. Or if you make it darker and dimmer and push an image further and further away within your mind, it will feel less intense. Now, the reason I have mentioned this is because this is a fundamental part of finding out what kind of visualization works best for you, which you might be more visual based like myself, or if you focus on the sounds or the touch and sensations within an experience you're internally representing, that causes you to feel it more or less. If you want to learn more about this and discover what style of visualization works best for you, I've already done a video on this which I'll leave in the description box down below. Another key aspect of visualizing when it comes to manifesting is that you can create the sensations of already having it, so you feel inspired to physically want to move towards it, because you want both your thoughts and your actions to be aligned. Because if you aren't willing to take action towards what you want to manifest, this is usually a sign, deep down unconsciously, you don't believe it's yours, or you have an inner conflict that it may cause you pain in having it. So for example, you might want more money, but you associate having a lot of money with being greedy, or only evil people are wealthy. An ideal time to visualize is daily in the morning as you can also visualize your day going well, as you'll be more likely to attract and look for opportunities that creates a great day. And after some form of meditation, as your mind will be quieter and more relaxed, which makes it easier to visualize, and you'll be able to focus on creating the sensations more. And when it comes to manifesting what you really want, you want to become aware of and listen to your intuition, your gut feelings, as deep down you will already know what you really want, but your mind, through conditioning and programming, may lead you to think that you want something else. So after you have meditated, focus on the sensations internally and ask yourself, if I could have anything I really want, what would it be? I hope you have found this video useful. If you have, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Also share this video with anyone who you think will benefit from learning more about visualization. I hope you have found this video useful, and I shall see you soon.